Hi there, I'm Travis Taylor, and this is Kelly Johnston, and we're with eXp Realty.
Welcome to number 205-20050 Stewart Crescent, located in the heart of the industrial area, right at the exit and entrance of the Golden Ears Bridge. This is truly a golden location. Nine minutes to Highway 1, 5 minutes to the Port Kells industrial area. The Fraser Valley docks are only 20 minutes away. And it's only 25 minutes to the US border crossing, and only 45 minutes to downtown Vancouver.
This unit is just over 3,000 square feet and includes two 14-foot bay doors. It also has a reception area, a bathroom, an office, a very large meeting room, and a wide open warehouse space.
The unique thing about this space is that it is fully set up as a custom auto detail center. This equipment is beautiful and won't be found in North America. It was imported from Italy and professionally installed in this site a few years ago. The landlord will work out a small monthly compensation for the equipment, as they're the owner of the supplies and the equipment. Competitive lease rates and a move-in ready building located in the absolute best location in the Greater Vancouver area.
Give us a call today or shoot us an email for the information package on this great opportunity.